It starts here on the American plains, where the journey of flavor begins. "40 years of experience in every cut, but this is only the beginning." Secret recipes, guarded for generations, now infuse every fiber. Heat transforms, moisture departs, flavor concentrates 100-fold. 60 pouches per minute, 0 mistakes. Welcome to modern manufacturing. From pasture to palate, this is how America makes beef jerky. It begins before dawn on the American plains, where the land itself shapes the flavor. Generations of knowledge guide every move, ensuring the herd stays healthy and strong. Selected at their peak, the animals begin their journey from pasture to plant. The highway stretches toward the horizon, leading to the next chapter of the process. At the facility gates, every animal is documented before it ever sets hoof inside. Rest, hydration, and final inspection. Only the best will continue to the next stage.
All right, let's move them forward.
The journey inward follows a one-way path designed for calm and efficiency.
Keep them coming straight through.
Science and compassion guide every step, honoring the life that gives sustenance. Every drop is channeled away, the first step in preparing the purest meat. Chilled and rested, the meat awaits its transformation. The real work is about to begin. From the chill of the cooler to the warmth of the fabrication floor, the work intensifies. 40 years of experience in every cut, the eye knows exactly where the blade should fall. Every piece is handled, every sinew assessed. Only the finest muscle fibers will become jerky. Patience and precision. The silver skin must go, but not an ounce of precious meat. Metal detection, weight logging, digital tracking. The meat's journey is now data as much as substance. Tumbling begins the transformation, softening the fibers for the flavors to come. The tumbling completes its cycle. The meat is now ready to receive its signature flavor. Every batch is weighed, logged, and tracked. No room for error at this stage. The recipe is a guarded secret, passed down and protected like a family heirloom. Liquid smoke, brown sugar, soy, and spices, each plays its role in the symphony of flavor. The marinade meets the meat. Now, under vacuum, the real infusion begins. Vacuum pressure forces flavor deep into every fiber, where it will remain through the drying process. Time completes its work. The marinade has done its job, penetrating every fiber. Fully infused, the meat now drips with potential. The ovens await. These ovens are the heart of the operation. Here, moisture meets its match. Sealed in heat, the transformation begins. Water departs, flavor concentrates. Low and slow. 4 hours of precise heat will transform raw meat into shelf-stable jerky. Patience is the secret ingredient. Heat works slowly, gently, surely. The cycle ends. What went in raw and wet emerges transformed, concentrated, dark, and fragrant. Moisture has fled, but flavor remains, locked into every fiber, concentrated 100-fold. Rest is essential. The fibers relax, the oils redistribute, and the final texture sets. Visual inspection confirms what the instruments already know. This batch has reached perfection. Human eyes and hands make the final call. Consistency is the hallmark of quality. Batch by batch, pound by pound, the jerky is now ready for its final form. The rhythm shifts from human hands to machine precision. Consistency becomes mathematical. Eyes that never tire, hands that never tremble. The machines take over the repetitive work. Mathematical precision. Every strip identical to the last, thousands per hour, without variation. Laser vision scans every millimeter. Imperfections have nowhere to hide. Weight determines destiny. Every piece sorted by the gram, destined for the right package. Counted, sorted, and grouped. The jerky now waits only for its final wrapping. The final wrapping begins here. Film, heat, and precision will seal the freshness inside. The final wrapping begins here. Film, heat, and precision will seal the freshness inside. From flat roll to three-dimensional pouch, the package takes shape in fractions of a second. Gravity and precision work together. Every pouch receives its exact portion, every time. Nitrogen purges the oxygen, preserving freshness without preservatives. Science meets tradition. Oxygen is the enemy. Nitrogen is the shield. The jerky will stay fresh for months. Final verification. Weight, seal integrity, metal detection, every box must be checked. Every rejected pouch is an opportunity to learn. The lab awaits with answers. Behind sealed doors, the scientists work. Their tools are precise, their standards absolute.
Water activity determines safety. Below 0.85, bacteria cannot grow. This batch is secure. Tenderness is measured in newtons. Too tough and it's unpleasant. Too tender and it's overprocessed.
For 3 days, samples rest in warmth. If pathogens exist, they will reveal themselves. Data from 100 tests condensed to a single green light. The batch is cleared.
The lab has spoken. The batch is free to continue its journey to the outside world.
From pouch to box, the product gains its retail identity, shelf-ready and customer-facing.
Speed and precision marry here. 12 pouches, 1 box, 3 seconds flat. The robot builds the pallet like a mason lays bricks, layer by layer, perfect and stable. The warehouse breathes with inventory. Every pallet knows its place, waiting for its moment.
And this is how modern factories produce beef jerky from start to finish.